Kitchen sink repairs leak. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a leaky kitchen sink. Notice that the bottom of the kitchen sink is leaking. Let's gather the tools and materials required for this repair. You will require a screwdriver, hacksaw blade, silicone sealant, and sealant gun. First of all, remove the P-trap underneath the kitchen sink. Here, it is not a P-trap but just a pipe because the kitchen sink water seal is maintained in the floor trap to which the pipe is connected. Then, with a screwdriver, remove the waste strainer by unscrewing the screw. This will also detach the waste coupling from underneath the kitchen sink. Notice that the waste coupling has a rubber washer. Now, cut open the silicone sealant tube with a hacksaw blade and place it in the sealant gun. Apply silicone sealant on the bottom rim of the waste strainer. Now, fix the waste strainer with the sealant into the drain hole of the kitchen sink. Fix the waste coupling with the silicone sealant applied rubber washer onto the bottom of the waste strainer underneath the kitchen sink. Fix the screw and connect the waste coupling to the waste strainer. Tighten the screw with a screwdriver. Clean the kitchen sink and the countertop of the silicone sealant using a cotton rag. Now, fix one end of the pipe to the waste coupling and insert the other end into the drainage pipe. Finally, to check whether the leak has been fixed, open the kitchen sink faucet and check the bottom of the kitchen sink for leaks. It is not leaking anymore. We have successfully repaired a leaky kitchen sink.